Ever wondered how some folks seem to breeze through international travel, effortlessly managing their finances without getting slammed by hidden fees? You know, those people who seem to always have the perfect exchange rate and never get caught out by surprise charges? Yeah, me too. And that got me thinking, how do they do it? And more importantly, who's behind the magic wand that makes it all possible? Specifically, who's the mastermind behind YouTrip? If you're like me, you've probably seen YouTrip pop up in your travel feeds or heard whispers of its incredible convenience. It's the multi-currency wallet that's been making waves, especially in Southeast Asia and beyond, promising to make international spending a whole lot smoother. But behind every successful innovation, there's a story, a vision, and often a person or team driving it all forward. So, who's the person or people pulling the strings at YouTrip? Well, let's peel back the curtain. YouTrip was co-founded by Cecilia Chu and Arthur Mack. That's right, it's a duo, not a lone wolf, that's brought us this financial tech marvel. And it's Cecilia Chu, in particular, who often takes center stage as the CEO and driving force. Now, Cecilia's story isn't your typical tech startup narrative. She's not just a tech whiz, she's a seasoned finance professional with a deep understanding of the intricacies of cross-border payments. Before YouTrip, she honed her expertise at Citi and McKinsey, gaining invaluable insights into the financial landscape. This experience gave her a front-row seat to the frustrations and inefficiencies that plague international transactions. Think about it. The constant battle with fluctuating exchange rates, the hidden fees, and the sheer inconvenience of managing multiple currencies, it's a headache we've all experienced. And Cecilia, with her background, saw a clear opportunity to disrupt this space. She envisioned a seamless, transparent, and user-friendly solution that would empower travelers and consumers to manage their money with ease. And that's exactly what YouTrip is. It's not just a card, it's a platform designed to simplify international spending. It tackles the pain points of traditional currency exchange, offering competitive rates and eliminating those pesky hidden fees. It's a digital wallet that allows you to hold and exchange multiple currencies, all within a single app. But what sets Cecilia apart isn't just her vision, it's her determination and her ability to build a strong team. She's fostered a culture of innovation and customer centricity, ensuring that YouTrip remains at the forefront of the fintech revolution. She's also been vocal about the importance of financial inclusion, aiming to make international finance accessible to everyone. Arthur Mack, the other co-founder, brings a wealth of experience in technology and product development. While Cecilia's background is rooted in finance, Arthur's expertise complements her vision, ensuring that YouTrip's technology is robust and user-friendly. Together, they've created a powerful synergy, driving YouTrip's growth and expansion. The journey hasn't been without its challenges, of course. Building a fintech startup in a competitive market requires resilience and adaptability. But Cecilia and Arthur have navigated these challenges with a clear focus on their mission, constantly innovating and expanding YouTrip's offerings. So, the next time you're traveling and effortlessly paying for your coffee in a foreign currency, remember the story behind YouTrip. It's a story of vision, determination, and a desire to make international finance more accessible. It's the story of Cecilia Chu and Arthur Mack, the duo who dared to challenge the status quo and create a solution that's changing the way we manage our money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.